Yo.
Yo, bro.
Yo.
Yo, Shorty's here. Shorty's here.
Maestro running it.
Shorty! So I was driving and I heard psh, 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 psh. And basically I had a huge nail in my tire. And I saw it at the crib and I took it to the dude to go and change it, but he was closed. He closed at 5:30. I got there like 5:58, so he couldn't change it for me. But for where I've been going to, driving throughout Miami and stuff, bro, there's always nails, man. There's always nails, y'all. So I'm just at the point where, like, this is like my second time taking a nail out the tire in like maybe 2 weeks. It's at the point where I should just probably invest in a plug and take the nails out myself, because the nail literally came out, I guess, driving. I thought something was wrong with the truck and I heard psh, 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 and I looked and it was losing air. So the nail came out itself. I don't know how. Maybe my rough driving. So all I have to do is just pluck it and cut it now. So I think it's really time to invest into a plug, y'all. I think it's really about that time, because I didn't think I was gonna keep having to do this, keep having to go over there, but you keep spending money, $10, $10. It adds up over time. But I was actually looking for the plugs and I found one. This is black. Yeah, this will be good. This will definitely be good, y'all. I'm just gonna plug it out myself and just put air myself. I have an air compressor at my house, but this is where that Horn Blasters kit would be perfect, because it comes with the air compressor for me. So yeah, this is exactly what we needed, man. Exactly what we needed. Y'all, this is literally what we spent, $8. And I would have spent $10 just to take it out and then probably have to go back there later on.
Each wheel, I want to say 600, hold on. 600, 1200, 2000. Okay, so I got each wheel for 6 something.
So you spent just under 3,000?
It was like 29.
2,900 for 4 pieces?
Yeah, including the lug nuts too.
For 4 pieces of wides and the wheels?
Yeah.
No way.
Before inflation, dog. Yeah, no, it was like a custom offset deal. So I got like the rubber bands. I got the Toro AZ800s, which are like street tires. So of course I was like on stretch.
I hate rubber bands, bro. I
was
hate
on stretch tires and shit. Yeah, but I was like, fuck it. I was like, I only got the tires.
It's still a good deal though.
100 a piece, bro, for the tires on the custom offsets. Mounted and balanced with everything. I got the lug nuts, spike lug nuts, and all that good stuff. But yeah, that was a while ago, man. That's before everything was so expensive.
Damn.
And then I found out after I bought the wheels that they suck and that they don't polish good. But for the 3 years I had the wheels, well, a little under 3 years, like 2 years, I only got them polished a couple of times. I didn't really take care of them that good anyway.
That's crazy. Boy's shopping for his wifey.
Yeah, charms, bro. Lucky charms.
Do you want to get?
Yeah, it's for a 3 year.
It's for his 3.
We're not married, bro.
But gold?
Yeah.
She didn't ask if you were married.
Do you want me to bring you a couple?
Yes.
This man said we're not married.
Not yet.
So I had to take
Yo,
you
this is that unreleased shit, boy. Unreleased shit. It's the belt making the noise, actually.
Guys, we just discovered that this doesn't even have any coolant. Like literally nothing. Well, I think there's like a little bit at the end right there, but we gotta put it. This video is sponsored by iCarney Makes It, man. We got one of the best trucker hats in the market right now. All the influencers are wearing it. Go get yours, man. Trucker hats, shirts, and etc, man. Link in bio. www.icarney.com, man. Oh, no way. Am I good? Yeah. Bro, that's Shorty, bro. Bro, oh my God, bro. Freaking Gabe Chronicles trying to get over to the freaking truck through freaking, oh shoot. Bro, that's really Shorty, bro. Whose wreck side by side is that?
That was Griffin's side by side.
He wrecked it?
Yeah, his friend wrecked
Shoot,
it.
this is not too bad.
No, it's actually
Alright, we're straight. No way, bro. Shorty.
Damn.
Holy crap. Bro, it's her. Bro, I feel like it wasn't that bad when we first seen it. Oh, shoot.
Those two wheels on the side are fine in the truck, and this one's fine too. It's just this one. So if I sell them, I mean, bro, the person would just have to buy another wheel.
Yeah, you can
Or
find
unless
these.
I keep them, I'll just buy another wheel.
Right.
No, yeah. Even these tires, bro, there's still a good amount of tread on them. Like, I would say at least 60%. In the front, way more, of course. The back is less, but I mean, damn, there's really nothing.
Your tip's hanging on the ground, my boy.
Yeah, what the fuck happened there, dog?
The thing probably,
shit.
the thing that holds it's probably gone.
Yeah.
Dang, bro. It's freaking Shorty. I wanna pop Shorty's hood. Bro, this is crazy, bro. It's freaking Shorty.
Yo, what the fuck did I just touch?
All in the thing? Holy crap, bro. It's freaking Shorty.
Is
the kit good? Yeah, it is.
I want to clean her out so that people don't think, you know.
All right, so this, wait,
Oh,
this
it's purposely trying to.
this tire is gone. This rim is gone or it's flat? Oh no, this is flat, right?
Yeah, the wheel's straight. It's just tires off the beads, fucked up.
Freaking, dude, if the other one
Look at
wasn't,
all
oh, the roof damage. If the other one wasn't messed up, bro, I would take those.
Damn, what the hell?
If this wasn't messed up, I'd take them for big baby over there.
Hell is shit in my bed.
Yes, bro, it's auction.
Dog, what's up with the underwear in my bed? You know? Someone was getting active back here.
So as you guys do see, this is my boy Gabe's truck, Shorty. I see that you guys have been enjoying the Shorty content, so we had to come back and see Shorty. My boy did buy it back, so we will be selling it for some parts. I do want to start it up, but my boy said we're going to start it up tomorrow, so we will be back here tomorrow, and we're going to see what we can do. I'm serious! All right, y'all, so my boy Gabe just hit me up. Day 2, coming to see Shorty. We're going to try to start her up today and see what she sounds like. See if she's 100% still the same. Obviously, she's not, you know, going to be, you know, the same, but somewhat. Engine work, we know the engine's fine, but we might start it up today. I think we're gonna start it up today. I got jumper cables and stuff like that, and yeah.
Like December. When it's not 98.
Tailgate's open. Now I gotta remove this.
The guy via suit got thrown out.
Ryan's a goat, man, taking taillights out for me.
Well, the thing,
Go.
we're gonna either one of two things. You hold that for a second. Yeah. Okay, so can you hold on to that?
Is it Michael?
Yeah, 'cause I don't know if there's LED on that. Because if you don't take it, Carney's gonna want it.
What?
Nothing.
You're talking about the bumper?
No.
There we go.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah. Better to get it off.
What's up, vlog?
No one's gonna want to buy it.
Guys,
though,
I'm
when they can
freaking
steal
happy
it.
right
So
now.
I might not get anyone to buy
We
it.
just took the taillights off Gabe's truck. I'm gonna get these paint matched red to match. It's gonna be so nice, bro. Freaking happy right now. Appreciate it.
It's still recording.
Bro, I'm freaking happy, bro. You got it, right? It's on. Alright guys, so we couldn't get it started up. The batteries are really dead, so Gabe's gonna take out the batteries. We're just gonna take out the batteries and we're gonna bring it home to charge it up. tomorrow we'll probably bring the batteries back, put them in, and it'll probably start up.
Fucking around with me all the day. I got no worries.
That boy scared to race me, boy. That boy scared to race me, boy. That boy scared to race me, yeah. Yeah, what up? Yeah. What is this, day 3?
This is day 3 and we've got absolutely fucking nothing done. Only little things, but.
So we're trying to take the wiring out. We're gonna try to take the battery out so we can, so I could bring him home, charge him up, and then we could bring him tomorrow and start Shorty, right?
And look at all this bird's nest wiring, bro. Once this grill for sale, it'll break through anything, man. This thing will withstand any tree you run into.
It looks pretty good.
It doesn't look good, but trust me, like, this thing is durable, bro. So honestly, I'm looking to get like 800, but realistically maybe 5, to be honest. But
It looks pretty good.
it's a nice grill, bro. It's durable.
Yankee Chronicles.
Good shit. I didn't want to do this to you. Promise. But now that
You obviously did.
Damn. Might be something in here that's like bolted or some shit. I don't really know.
That's because this is on top.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true.
All right, just now, you should be able to yank it.
What's that? There we go. Yep, another little piece off.
Day 4.
Day freaking 4, man.
Yeah, I know. I
Day
I'm
4.
not gonna lie, I told you they're gonna tow this shit. The truck's way too old and it's just, who knows? They probably got it up on the lift and they probably saw the frame was
Nah, of course. They're gonna, yeah.
What are you talking about?
No, I was saying, like, they probably got it up on the lift as well as they took the cab into consideration. The frame's definitely bent. Like,
Yeah.
There's no way. It would have been more trouble than it was worth fucking trying to rebuild it.
Facts.
100%, that's
Facts.
why.
Well, let's try to get it
If I went
started.
that route, I would have just bought a new truck with a blown motor and fucking hella miles and then just put everything from this into it.
Shit.
How
Well,
many good wheels you got?
3, but I don't know. I gotta really, yeah, I feel like the front driver's side.
this is out for sure.
Oh, for sure. Yeah.
But no, I told Gabe this one's good, bro. He was like, nah, but it is. It looks good. Look. It's just flat.
Yeah, it just debeated itself.
Right.
This one might be good.
Yeah. Wait, stop real quick. Dude, is that shit just...
It's just going out the bottom. But you have to count the fucking system's fucking got nothing in it, so it's gonna need a lot. And if I could stop fucking spilling, that would be great. Just cycle it, don't start it.
Man, smart as shit, man. Oh, shit. I think maybe a little bit more power.
I got my pole, the streets they cold, my vision is blurry. Got that 30 on me.
Bye, have a great time.